Barbie Looks number 10, 11, and 12. They're here, I'm here, you're here. Let's take a look at these dolls. I love the Barbie Looks line. These dolls are fully articulated with a made-to-move body. They have simple, classic styles, new face molds, and a super affordable price tag of, well, I got these ones for $20 when they first came out. I think there are 22 now online, but still, all of that for this much beauty. They all have the same packaging other than the fact that the number is different on the side. So I'll show you the packaging and then we'll unpackage them. These ones have a silver box, dolls in the front. On the side it says Looks. On the other side it says their number, model number 10 this is. And then last there's a picture of these three dolls all together. Simple, chic, elegant packaging that I'm about to destroy. There you have it, number 10, 11, and 12. All of the dolls come with a certificate of authenticity. True fact, I throw them away. They all also come with a stand, and the stands seem to be good quality. I think the first wave of Looks dolls that I got, the stands were a little flimsy feeling. These ones feel nice and sturdy. Let's start with our first doll. Barbie Looks number 10 is a tall doll, and she's a new skin tone, not just for tall made moves, but for all made moves. She has a new face mold, whose name is Simone. That is absolutely gorgeous. I love her shimmery, kind of wine-colored lip. These dolls do have more makeup than previous Looks line. She has like a purple and blue eyeshadow look going on. She has long black hair, straight with the center part. She is absolutely gorgeous. Definitely the standout out of all three. When these dolls were first coming out, she was the one that everybody wanted, and I can't tell a lie, I actually got two of her, one to keep and one to use as a body donor. Let's look closer at her clothes. So she's wearing a crop top that's out of this kind of silver lame type fabric. She has quarter sleeves that are puffy, and the shirt is fitted. Personally, I'm not in love with the top on her, but I do love the skirt. There's a pleather type skirt with a waistband, both things Velcro in the back. And when I was trying to take it off or hike it up a little bit, there's actually a ribbon underneath the skirt so that it can't ride up, which was interesting. She's wearing these silver chunky platform boots, and they're actually the same boots that model number 6 was wearing, Victoria. Overall, I think she's a gorgeous doll. If I could change one thing, it would be her outfit. Proportionally, I don't really like this gap in the outfit. Kind of looks like the shirt that she's wearing is like a size too small and she's squeezing into it. I would prefer either to take off the sleeves or make the shirt a little longer or a little looser since the skirt is already so short. I just think proportionally it looks a little strange. But the great thing about Barbie dolls is you can change their outfits, so I probably will be doing that for Looks number 10. Otherwise, gorgeous, beautiful doll. Looks model number 11 is on an original made-to-move body. She has a new head mold as well that is named Heidi. It's really pretty. She has red hair that's kind of slicked back on the top and then curls on the side. There seems to be some blonde or lighter orange in there, so it's two-toned. She has more makeup again than the first wave of Made to Move, but I would say it looks really nice on her. Her outfit is a jumpsuit, a one-shoulder jumpsuit. It's kind of giving me Grecian goddess vibes. I do like this pleather belt. I think it ties in well with Looks Model number 10. The belt is not a separate piece, so it is stitched into the jumpsuit. The legs of the jumpsuit are ruched on the side, but even though it's kind of tight to her body and pulling a little bit, this is not a stretchy fabric, and I'm a little worried in the future that the fabric will get little runs in it. I do love her shoes. So she has a matte silver shoe that's very strappy, but they're not flimsy. They're very cute. I really like how these three dolls, their fashions and the fabrics of the fashions and the colors, they tie into what we saw with 7, 8, and 9. So in my head, it's kind of wave 1 is 1 through 6, models 1 through 6, and then wave 2 is 7 through 12, and then you kind of have A and B, but I guess that's not super important. Overall, I love a doll with red hair. I really like the curls in it. I think she is absolutely beautiful, and she's a great addition to the collection. Our last doll is model number 12. She is on a curvy body, which I love to see, and her new face mold is named Frida. She has the heaviest makeup out of anyone in this wave and possibly out of the entire Model Looks collection, but I think she is really beautiful. Her hair is styled in a side ponytail. It's brown with some blonde in it. I saw online someone had taken her hair down and had it long. I think I might try that because that looked really nice. Her outfit doesn't tie in so much with number 10 and number 11, but it really ties in with what Tamika, model number 7, was wearing, with this fuzzy silver and black top on the top of her dress, and then kind of matte, stretchy, ruched black on the side. I think this dress looks really flattering on her. I like the silver straps, and it fastens in the back. She's wearing a tall, strappy matte silver shoe like Heidi was, and I think overall she's a really beautiful doll. Mine does have a tiny spot there on her face. That's okay. It's a beauty mark. She came with it. This is what she looks like. Notice that curvy Made to Move dolls, their joints are super stiff when you first get them. Like the other two models, she is Made to Move, which means she has 22 points of articulation, and that is how I like my dolls. Out of the 3 that have just been released, she wasn't my favorite, but I knew I was always going to get her. I absolutely love the Barbie Looks Model dolls, and since she's one of them, I had to get her, and she has quietly grown on me. I am definitely gonna probably do something with the hair. I think the side ponytail is a little too literally 80s or like little kid for me, so I think once I do that, I will love her even more. Now, if you're like me, you want to know how do their skin tones compare to other dolls, so let's take a look at that. Simone is a new Made to Move skin tone, and not only that, she's the darkest skin tone that Mattel has released for Made to Move dolls so far. Here you can see her compared to other Made to Move dolls. This is the Purple Pants, Fashionista 166, the Claudette BMR 1959 doll, the Floral Ponytail Yoga doll, and the Pazette BMR 1959 doll. Simone is a deeper shade than Pazette, who used to be the deepest Made to Move skin tone available. Since she is a new skin tone, that means there are now dolls who didn't have Made to Move matches that now do. I have 2 dolls in my collection who could be swapped on Simone, Fashionista 90 and Fashionista 125. However, I like both of their body types and I don't really want to make them tall. So there is another doll who's going to get the extra Simone body. Enter this doll. I'm not really sure what to call her, but she just came out this summer. She's on a petite body with a new head mold that I don't know the name of yet. I don't even know what collectors are calling her. It came out in, her head mold comes from 2021, and she's on a petite body. I think her head is a little large for her body, so she's going to be swapped onto the extra Simone body. Heidi comes in a pretty common Made to Move skin tone that you often see on Millie's. Here you can see how she compares kind of in the lineup of skin tones. This is the curvy floral doll. This is the Samantha Cristoforetti body. This is the pink pants. This is model number 3. And this is the green pants yoga doll. Other dolls in this skin tone are the baseball made to move, Fashionista 165, and other Millies. However, not every Millie has this skin tone, but you do commonly find Millie made to moves in this skin tone. And that's how number 11 stacks up. Frida is a new skin tone for curvies, which I did not realize when I first unboxed her. As you can see, she is a shade darker than the curvy dancer, but I'm not sure if she's a totally new skin tone. This is the brunette soccer player, this is the Yara Shahidi doll, this is the purple pants, and the green pants. To me, Frida seems a tad darker than the brunette soccer player, however, a tad lighter than the Yara Shahidi doll, and I'm not sure how much hairs I'm splitting here. So you will have to be the decider of that. I was hoping number 12 might be a match for this fashionista, and she's definitely a closer curvy match than we've had before, but I don't know if she's 100% on it. I think Yara Shahidi remains the best skin tone match, but you could get away with number 12 in a pinch. Now we're back. To conclude, I love the Barbie Looks Models. They are so beautiful. One, they have new facial molds, so that's like getting new characters every time. 2, they are made to move, so there's no rebodying necessary. 3, they're giving us new skin tones. 4, their outfits are just simple and classic, but also really great basic pieces to use. So if you want to get multiples of them and use the multiples as body donors, you're not stuck with a bunch of black leggings or strange or like soccer outfits, you know, that you can't really use as much. I got another one of her, and this black skirt I'm happy to have multiple of. I think they are a great price, and I am super excited for the next wave to come out. I'm gonna keep collecting them as long as they're making them. Which one is your favorite? Let me know in the comments down below. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in my next video.